Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and today I am going to demonstrate how to make a soft and light chocolate sponge cake without eggs. So let's get started. So what you have to do next, take a big bowl, sift together your all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda and cocoa powder and corn flour through a large sieve such that all things get mixed together evenly, and this will also ensure that there is no lumps present in the flour which can really make the cake bad. And after sieving all the dry ingredients, something looks like this. So after mixing all the dry parts, let's mix all the wet ingredients together. So take a bowl, add in your oil, milk and sugar and whisk it until it blends all together. After that, add in your vanilla essence and mix it thoroughly, and then add your well beaten curd into it and mix it so well so that there is no lumps. Now we are ready with our wet ingredients. Now what we have to do, that we have to mix our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and we have to do this by part so there is no lumps found in the batter, and gently mix it in the mixture. Just mix it enough so that all things come together. Do not over mix or whisk the batter, which can release the gluten in the flour and turn out your cake really bad. After mixing the batter, I am taking my greased silicone pan and mold and pour the batter. After pouring it, you must tap the mold so that all the air goes out and you will get the flat top of the cake. Take your batter into the preheated oven for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes and you are ready to go. After taking out from the oven, this is what we want our cake to look like. Take your wire rack to unmold your cake and let it be cool for an hour in a room temperature. Can you guys see how soft is this cake turned out to be? I'm sure this demonstration will help you to make soft and spongy cake. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.